Hi Assalamualaikum Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys how I do this sparkly and spicy red makeup look, which is a collaboration of me and other makeup artists and my Facebook friends. So if you want to know how I do it, then please keep on watching. Starting from my brows, I'm gonna use Feathers by Amira Ho Brow Wax, and I shapen up my brows using a wet spoolie that I spray using face mist. First of all, I'm gonna rub it on the opposite direction and then I brush it upwards to make sure that it stays put. Then I take Silky Curl Brow Pencil in the coat Soft Gray and fill in any gaps. Then I use the spoolie again to shapen up the tail of my brows. To clean up the edges, I use Fair Tone of Concealer by Dermacol. This one is in the code 211. As you can see, it is lighter tone than my actual skin tone. To cover up my dark circle, I use Dermacol in the code 213, which is almost the same as the color of my skin tone. For my foundation, as usual, I'm going to use Phoera Beauty foundation in the code 105 cent. I use this foundation almost in every of my videos because it is a super full coverage foundation and it stays longer. What I'm doing right now is I buff the foundation using a wet sponge, beauty sponge, to make sure that it creates a full flawless coverage. To start with my eyeshadow, I'm going to first prime my eyes using Otwoo Cosmetics. This one is in the code Natural. I also use it to thin up the edges of my brows. The first eyeshadow I'm going to use is by Nude Huda Beauty palette. This one is in the code Bare. Go straight to my brow bones. Using iMagic Cosmetic Face Paint palette, I use the pink color as the base of my red eyeshadows. So what I'm doing right now is I create wing shape on my eyelids using Filbert Artist brush. Then I take loose powder. This one is pink pigment loose powder that I bought online. And I use pointy dense tip, I don't know what to call this. It is a dense pointy tip brush to dab it on 2/3 of my eyelids. As you can see, the color is very bright and I really love the pigmentation. Then I take Spotlight You Can Be palette. This one, I'm gonna use the red eyeshadows. This is the brightest red in the palette, and I fill up the rest of 1/3, which is the outer corner of my eyelids. I use the same step for my lower lashes. Then I use Diva Vanilla from La Macaroons Chique Cosmetic palette on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I combine NYX Glitter Glue and Glitter Eyeshadow from the same Huda Beauty palette, which is called Excite. And I'm using an artist brush. It is small, easy to control, so I'm using it to create lines around the edges of the wing eyeshadows. To create sharp edges at the inner corner of my eyes, I use C-Code Liquid Eyeliner. Then, I use Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kajal Eyeliner to tighten up my waterlines. I also add the glitter in the middle of my lower lashes. For my loose powder, I use Blooming Powder by Hope Girl. And this one is actually a translucent powder. It doesn't change any tone of my foundation. I take these two colors, which is Peanut Butter and Chocolate Ganache from the same La Macaroons Squinted palette as my shading and contour. I shade my cheekbones, my jawlines, and also my nose. Then I do some baking. For my mascara, I'm gonna use Gold Mascara by Otwoo Cosmetics, and I apply several coats of it on my upper and lower lashes. As for my falsies, I'm gonna use this very cheap falsies that I bought from online. I apply it using Koji Black Lash Glue. Once that is done, I brush off the excess of the loose powder that I used to bake. And finally, for my lips, I use Cherry Quartz, which is by NYX Cosmetics. This is a glitter shimmery lipstick. So when you apply it, it's gonna create a matte look, but after you smack your lips, it's gonna create fuchsia pink shimmery effect, which is so cool. And the look is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I absolutely love it because I don't mind wearing red on red. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and also don't forget to follow my other social media. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!